गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। चलो आज हम लोग एक्टिव एंड पैसिव को इजी बनाते हैं। एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि जनरली टुडे आजकल के बच्चों की प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि दे आर ऑलवेज फियर विद एक्टिव एंड पैसिव वर्ड। देयर इज अ ग्रेटेस्ट फोबिया। वो डरते हैं कि एक्टिव एंड पैसिव कहीं हमसे रॉन्ग ना हो जाए, हमें इसका चार्ट नहीं पता, हमें इसकी डेफिनेशंस नहीं पता। तो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट, चलिए मिलके इसको बहुत ईजी बनाते हैं। वी हैव अ चार्ट, एक्टिव चार्ट एंड द पैसिव चार्ट। This one is this is present tense, past tense and the future tense. Indefinite tense, continuous tense, perfect tense and the perfect continuous tense. Present indefinite में जब when the sentence is assertive, then we will find s या es with the singular verb, and with the plural verb that is not s या es. When we make sentence negative and interrogative, there will be the helping verb do and does. In continuous tense is am are, perfect tense has have, perfect continuous tense has been. Same as with the past tense. In assertive sentence second form there will be. When we make sentence negative and interrogative, then we use the did with the first form of the verb. And in continuous was and were, and perfect had and perfect continuous had been. In future tense will, shall. Will be, shall be, continuous tense. Perfect tense will have, shall have. Perfect continuous tense will have been, shall have been. When we make sentence active to passive, the chart will be changed accordingly. In tense, indefinite tense, in present tense, if we find is, am, are, s या es या do does, then will change into is, am, are. If we find is, am, are, then will change into is being, am being, are being. When we find has, have, that will change into has been and have been. When we find has been, have been, there will be no change. If we find second form of the verb and the did, then we change that verbs in was and were. Was and were when we find, then that will be changed into was being and were being. When we find had, then convert it into had been. When we find had been, then there will be no change. If we find will, shall, that will be changed into the will be and shall be. And when we find will be and shall be, that will no change. Will have, shall have, will have been, shall have been. When we find will have been, shall have been, there will be no change. Now we will make how to form a right sentence. We have sentence active. He reads a book. There is one subject and other is the object. जब भी हम किसी सेंटेंस को एक्टिव से पैसिव में लेकर आते हैं तो पहले हमें ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट बनाना होता है एंड सब्जेक्ट को ऑब्जेक्ट बनाना होता है। और जब हम ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट बनाते हैं तो वो सब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म में हो जाता है और सब्जेक्ट जो होता है वो ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म में हो जाता है। जैसे बुक एज अ ऑब्जेक्ट, अ बुक रीड्स, दिस इज द प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस, तो दैट विल बी चेंज टू द इज। तो अ बुक इज रेड। In main verb, when we convert any simple sentence into the passive, then we always use third form of the verb into the main verb, only the third form. तो a book is read किसके द्वारा? By him. Subject come into the object, then that will be come into the objective form. Likewise, he had finished his work. His work had been finished by him. That's it.